In this video, we will show you how to use Wooclap. If you guys want to get started with Wooclap, you can use the links given down in the description. Wooclap is an interactive platform designed to enhance audience engagement through live polls and quizzes often used in education and events. First, go to the Wooclap official website on your web browser. You can review all the features and tabs that show you about higher education, educators, trainers, and business. It is compatible with tools like PowerPoint, Google Slides, Microsoft Teams, and LMS. To create an account, click the Sign Up button at the top navigation bar. Now create an account by adding an email address and password to boost your presentations. You can also continue with a Google account. Next, select your account and give it access by clicking Continue. Once logged in, fill in some information to set up your account. After that, tell about yourself by answering the given questions, including your intention to use it, your role, and the size of an organization. Click Next and then enter your name, organization name, and your country. Later, agree to all the terms and services and click Get Started. Once you've added all your questions, click on Create Your First Event. Now name your event. Click Next and choose your first question. It'll start fetching your request and encourage discussion around the responses. So that's how to use Wooclap. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Wooclap. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.